So what we gotta do first is make sure that there's no negatives in there. Watch what happens. Don't multiply it yet. So we have I rad 6 times I rad 2. There's no more negatives inside the radicals because we're now multiplying the radical by an I. Why? Because rad negative 1 times 6 gives me the first term, and then negative 1, the square root of negative 1 times rad 2, that would give me the second term. And so these change into i's, and so then we have, when we multiply, I times I, which is I squared, and then we have the square root of 12. So what is I squared? Whenever we have a power on an I, what does that equal? We simplify it. I squared is the same as square root of negative I, or negative 1 squared, and these would cancel out, so you're left with negative 1. So we have a negative 1 times whatever we get when we simplify that. And when we simplify that, that'd be rad 4 and rad 3, so we get 2 rad 3. So our final answer is negative 2 rad 3. Alright, I asked the question before, I'll ask it again. Is this an A or is it a B?
A.
Standard form is A plus BI. B is next to an I. A is your real number. Is this an I?
No.
No, so it is an A.